optimized airflow, and Sveba Dahlen V-Series rack ovens. Sveba Dahlen's rack ovens feature airflow that is designed to optimize baking results and ensure even results across the entire rack. Through technology, knowledge, experience, rigorous testing, simulations, and collaboration between engineers and baking experts, the oven's airflow has been meticulously designed to enhance baking efficiency and optimize baking results at the lowest cost without drying out the product being baked. Every part of the oven has been carefully designed in great detail. Air ducts ensure optimal airflow. The air slot outlets on the pressure side distribute hot air evenly within the oven, and the well-crafted suction side with its smart pattern design optimizes airflow and helps distribute air evenly across the entire suction side, resulting in uniform baking across the entire rack. At Sveba Dahlen, we understand that even the smallest details can significantly impact the final outcome. When baking delicate products like macarons or meringues, you can adjust the fan speed to prevent the products from drying out or getting damaged. You can then save these settings in the oven's recipe with one click, ensuring the same settings are applied every time the recipe is used. Whether you're baking loaves, rolls, cookies, sponge cakes, or delicate items like meringues, you can trust that Sveba Dahlen's rack ovens consistently delivers even results every time. We are Sveba Dahlen, your partner in successful baking.